Hello, boys and girls. I face some not clear for me question from this environment. A question is shaped as is supposed to be two answers, yes or no, but this no exact answers. So how I can understand override is mean yes. That button is the same as yes. The дальше. Reload. So I can guess it's mean no. And reload is substitute no. Difference is space there. That is version from disk with no space. This is live version with space. So how as I can mind overwrite will save on disk version with space. Let's press that button, блять. And what we see there. Oh, how beautiful, блять.